In today's video, I am going to teach you how to use 7-Pace Time Tracker for Monday.com. Start by going to your Monday.com workspace and opening the board you want to track time on. In this example, we are working from a board that contains an item called Item 1. Locate that item in the list and click directly on Item 1 to open it. This brings up the Item Details panel, where you can review updates, files, and other activity connected to that specific task. Next, in the Item panel, click on Activity Log. The activity log is useful because it shows a clear history of changes and actions taken on the item, and it is also where you can access additional view options depending on your setup. From here, click on Highlight. You may see Highlight as an option within the Item panel navigation. Selecting it helps you access more ways to view and manage information tied to the item. Now click on Explore More Views. This is where Monday.com lets you search for and add additional views or apps to the item. In the search field, type Highlight. As you type, matching options will appear in the results. When you see the right option, click Add to Item. This attaches the view to the current item, so you can use it right where you are working, without needing to jump to another area of the platform. After the view is added, click on your account name where it appears in the interface to make sure you are working under the correct user context. You may need to click it more than once as the interface loads or updates, so repeat the selection if necessary. Next, click on Highlight again to open the highlight view you just added. Once it is open, continue clicking on Highlight in the interface as needed to move through the available highlight sections until you reach the time entry area. In the time field, click on the existing value shown, which in this example is 4H. This indicates 4 hours, and selecting it allows you to confirm or adjust the time value before saving. Once you are satisfied with the time entry, click Save to store the update. At this point, your changes should be recorded on the item. That covers everything you need to know.